to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we're going to charity shop by my nan and granddad's. I'm not quite sure what area we're going to go to. They live in like the Clacton, Walton, Frinton, Holland-on-Sea area, so I'm not sure where in them places are the best places to thrift, but my nan seems to know. I thought I'd talk you through my outfit first. So the earrings are from Haven's Hospices in in Brentwood. These were £1, but I actually got them with my charity shop gift card. Cardigan I've had literally since I was about 12, and then the dress was from the Classic Car Boot charity supermarket pop-up from Haven's Hospices again. I got this when I was working, and I literally love it. It's just like the most gorgeous dress. I'm wearing my anklet that I got from Lanzarote. My legs aren't shaved, so we're gonna have to rock with that. And I'm taking a denim jacket. Hold on. I'm taking a denim jacket from a charity shop in Romford, and then my bag is from charity supermarket again from Thames Hospices. This one Hannah got for me when we were there, and that is today's look. Let's go thrifting. I realised I didn't run you down on the prices. Cardigan I got from Primark years and years ago. This wouldn't have been much. The dress was £12, I believe. Anklet was about £8 from Lanzarote. Jacket I believe was about £4. I believe it was like super duper cheap. And then the bag was £4, I'm gonna say. May have been more, may have been less. Go back and watch my haul to find out actually how much it was. Yeah, we've not charity shopped there before. My nan says that it's pretty good, and I've been meaning to go down there for ages, but what with like the weather, we both kept on getting ill and all that sort of thing, we hadn't been able to do it. But it's bank holiday weekend this weekend. I'm filming this on just before May. I should probably know what day it is. Let's see. I can't look while this is on. But it's like the 28th of April or something like that. So we're going down there. Probably going to sit in the garden, because although I have recovered from COVID and I am tested negative, I don't think my nan and granddad trust it yet. So we're going to sit in the garden. I've just put some food on for breakfast. My mum's just gone out for a walk. My dad is on the exercise bike. So once they guys finish and I eat my breakfast, we're going to go. I'm making myself a caramelised onion sausage roll, I think, because I've got rolls I got yesterday in the reduced section. Got some sausages. I was gonna have dinner last night and make them like a breakfast butty, I'm thinking. And I've got a flapjack in my bag that I brought from the cafe in the Reloved Havens. I put it in my bag and forgot I had it. So hopefully that's still okay to eat. I'm gonna eat it anyway. If you didn't know, the Reloved charity shop, which is our Havens like fancy shops, they've got a cafe in the Brentwood one. They do like cakes and flapjacks and coffee and all that sort of good stuff. I picked up a flapjack from there, so I'm going to eat that probably on the journey if we don't go in my dad's car. My dad's car, you're not allowed to eat in it. So if we go in my mum's car, then I'll eat that in the car. If not, I'll keep that for a little snack later on. I've been using this clear brow gel clear mascara thing. It was literally £2 from Boots or Superdrug. Got it when I was with Hannah. And oh my gosh, I just think my eyebrows look so nice with it. So I put a little bit of pencil just at the front to kind of fill out the front bit. And also where I waxed my eyebrow too much, it is starting to grow back. But I think fluffing them up makes it look a bit better. But really loving the fluffy eyebrow look. I never thought I was going to be completely scally, but maybe I am. I just put on some concealer. I didn't want to put on like loads of makeup. But I still wanted to put on some because my outfit's cute and I want to get a pic. If anyone understands that, the not wanting to put makeup on, but equally feeling like you should put makeup on so you can get a picture, is the most annoying thing ever. But here we are. Yeah, that was a really long rambly bit to say we're going to my nan and granddad's. We're at Frinton. Charity shops are back there, but we're just having a little walk. Basically, I want to get a picture in this outfit because it's super cute. But we're just going down to the beach. I will show you where we've come from. These steps, which are a bit rocky, probably didn't film I do this, and then there's a beach hut. Beach, yeah, it's absolutely lovely. Beach hut. Yeah. It's lovely. This is super cute, but the handle is broken. Also really cute. This one is fun as well. Tom's for £7.50, which is super cheap. This is super cute. It's only £4.95. Shop didn't get anything. Bought some nice bits. I had a lot of shoes that were nice and a lot of accessories that were nice. It's really cute down here. Lots of like independent shops, which is super sweet. It's really cute, but I'm getting rid of something really similar, so I'm not going to pick this one up. I'm going into Seaside. I did try on a skirt in the other shop, but I did love it. I tried on lots of stuff, but it just wasn't. I wanted a maxi skirt rather than a midi. Seaside was really sparse. I feel like all Seasiders are. Now I'm hunt for the next one. We're going to do all the ones on one side and then go down the other side of the road and do the ones that are trying to be good. Had a conversation with Hannah on the way here about overconsumption, so I'm trying not to do that. So I'm trying to be good and only buy things I love. MCA is closed. On to the next one. To RSPCA. Oh, it's like a little gift shop in here. Love this dress. It's a size 12. Also, I reckon it'd be quite expensive. Let's see. Yeah, £25. So, got two of these gorgeous dresses. They're both in a size 26. A bit too big for me, but stunning. Got it in the white and then in the black, and they are £6. I'm fascinated as always with British Heart. I really like these shoes. They're really fun. They are a size 5. Really fun. Neither me or Mum bought anything. We're very good. I was tempted by the skirt, and there's some cargos actually in the first shop as well, because I liked. I'm just gonna get the keys out of the bag. I really liked the skirt and the cargos I tried on. It was like a pink and orange florally skirt, and then like pink camo cargos, but they fit really nice actually. Probably fit as good as the cargos ever fit me. So I now know the M&S cargos in the size 16 fit me well. I didn't like that. If the pink was more vibrant, I'd like it, but it was just too like mushy of a colour. Mushy is not a good way to describe a colour, but I think everyone will know what I mean by mushy. It was mushy. It was a bit faded, a bit browny. We'll get my mum to be real. It's not great when a B-roll goes off at a good time, but it's so nice and sunny in the sun. It's fine. There's a little chill in the air, but nothing major. So my tote is full because it's got my jacket and my cardigan, and not full with purchases. Okay, we're going to one more. So the second act, it's a charity shop for the Westcliff Theatre. We've parked in the car park a little bit away. I'm just going to walk to it. Hopefully it'll have some good bits. Here we are. I wanted to come in here forever. It's not like a really awkward corner. Hopefully it's still open. It's closed. Why are all independent charity shops open for approximately 4 minutes at a time? Yeah. Only till 2. So sad. Just look longingly through the window. So, as that charity shop was closed, I popped into Tesco's and got my meal deal. But that is it for today's video. I didn't buy anything. There's no haul at the end of this. Come and shop with me, which is crazy. But I'm trying to do better. My consumption, I just know I've been spending too much, buying too much, bringing too much stuff into my life I don't need. I'm trying to be good. There was no one to do my wardrobe. I didn't really want to fill it up. And I'm trying to be good. So there was some stuff I liked. I liked the cargos, I liked the skirt, but just not enough to keep them. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment if you saw anything in the clips that you liked, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.